So in this BTCC tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy Pepe or other meme coins here on BTCC. So once the app's opened up, deposit money into your account. Once that is done, go to the bottom and select trade. Once you're here in the top left, you will be on the USDT page. Go ahead and press on spot. Once spot is selected where it says SOL/USDT in the top left, select that. And then you can go ahead and find Pepe, which is right here for me, PEPE. You can also go to the top here and just search up PEPE and then select it that way. Or as I mentioned before, if you just want to slide this top bar to where it says meme coins right here, you can then find it and just go ahead and select it. So once you have Pepe selected, you can choose to buy or to sell. You can also change this from a market order to a limit order or whatever. And then if this looks good, you can go to the bottom. So for example, this much USDT can buy you that much Pepe. And if this looks good to go, or type in whatever amount you want. If this is good to go, you can go ahead, press buy at the bottom here, or sorry, below that with the blue. And then you can proceed that way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Pepe here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.